Libby by Overdrive is an app and website used by libraries around the world to access digital content, including ebooks, digital audiobooks, and online magazines. It is free to use and only requires a current library card to access. This tutorial is done on an iPad, but the appearance and navigation is nearly identical on other mobile devices and on browsers on desktop or laptop computers. To start, go to the place where you get apps and search for Libby by Overdrive. Overdrive is the parent company that created the Libby app. The icon shows a red-headed person reading a teal-colored book. Download the app or open a browser to libbyapp.com. When you first open the Libby app or go to the website, you'll be asked if you have a library card. If you don't, head to your local library and get one, then come back here. Otherwise, tap or click Yes. On the next screen, you can choose any of the three options. Here, I'll search for a library. Since this tutorial is designed for Dracut residents, I will search by the Dracut zip code. This first result is the correct one, so I will select that. Tap Enter Library Account Details. Enter your full card number with no spaces between the digits. You are now signed in, and you shouldn't have to sign in again. Tap Next to go to the next step. Here you can indicate if you are a Kindle reader or not. Not every book is published in every format, so if you indicate that you do read with Kindle, Libby will filter your future search results to include Kindle books. You're now fully connected to Libby, and you can begin navigating the app or the website to find new content to read or listen to. You can borrow up to 5 items simultaneously, and you can have up to 10 active holds at one time. Please look for our Using Libby tutorial to learn more about navigating the app.